Hi everyone. Sorry, I'm trying to close up my glue bottle here. All right. Hey everyone. It's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'll have her link down below and her hashtag in my title. So I am yet a week behind again. I'm trying to catch up. So at least I'm just a week behind. I'm not 3 weeks behind. So, um, yeah. So I used a regular playing card, and this is all I have time for, guys. Is just a really quick playing altar playing card these days. Yesterday I did one for hashtag flowers and critters 2026, hosted by Jamie at over at Poet Spice, and that's all I had to. I couldn't think of anything, but next month I should have something good. I do have an idea. So doing these little projects kind of sparks, ideas when I'm in my craft room, when I'm crafting, when I'm, just gluing paper down. I do find inspiration. Um, so last week was week number 10 for March 5th, and I made a really quick card, and I made a bunch of these. I stamped um, these mason jars, and I colored the lid like a metallic silver, and then I inked it, and I punched it out with a mason jar punch that I have in my stash. Added some lace. So I had made these in advance. So I had them in, I have these containers that I have little bits and bobs and things that I want to save, like these little that I painted. And so I'm going to put that in there because I'm too lazy to put them back where they belong. But then that's when I use them, all the time. I, pull out those things first, and then I, you know, dig into my stash. So I use some old, this is Hobby Lobby paper. I think this is the Valentine's Day paper. The one that they had, they always have. Um, and so I used it because I love the vintage look. And then here's a piece of a book page from a book my husband gave me. It had this really nice, uh, um, you know, um, vintage look on the edges. And then I took one of my friends, my friend Nada over at Nada's Creations. She had, I have this container. Let me show you. If you just can see my desk. So I have this pretty good size container that I have all these words and definitions. So I have like some digitals that I have, and then I have some Dollar Tree um, metallic words that I'm trying to use up. I inked it and I glued it on there. I pop dot this um, mason jar, so it does look like it's floating. I did one of my finger bows with some satin thin ribbon, um, and that is for week 10. And then week for today, the 12th. Next week is going to be St. Patrick's Day. I think it's Tuesday, the 17th. and I am gearing up for that. So here's a thinner um, playing card. This is the Target playing card that I got, I think, this year. And so I just took some papers. I think this is a paper. Um, hmm, I'm not sure if this is from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I can't remember. And I just tore paper. I just tore it up and then I just layered on my card. And then I add some shamrocks. I have this, I bought this off of Amazon, this little booklet. It holds, like my stickers that really don't have a place. Um, and it's small enough where I can bring it out and use up instead of bringing out my big container of stickers. Okay, there's the Dollar Tree stickers, always lucky, and I really like how that turned out. It's pretty cool, and it's gold, so it matches the St. Patrick's Day theme. Um, and those are my 2 cards for this week. So I'll have Penny's information down below. Go check out that hashtag because there's a lot of amazing women um, crafters. Because I'm not sure if there are men that participate. But nonetheless, there's a lot of wonderful crafters out there that's participating. Go check them out and subscribe. Show them some crafty love. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.